Hi, I'm Vicky. I started YouTube in December 2025. I love to help people. I love to teach things. I'm new at this. I'm in my 60s. I feel like I'm really awkward that this is a bad video. I've been doing easy tech tutorials, and I feel like, those aren't the great either. But I just wanted to hop on here and let you know that I'm going to keep up with YouTube. I'm going to keep learning. I watch other people's videos, people that are older than 60, and they're doing it. So I'm going to keep learning. If you have any tips for me, put them in the comments. So a lot of people help me out. The things that I'm teaching about simple tech, easy tech, I had to hire people to get help with that. So I just want to pass that along and help you guys. If you have any ideas or any suggestions of what I should teach next, let me know. Dean and I travel full time in our RV, so I love to trip plan. I've been a travel agent before. So my background is in medical. I've been a respiratory therapist and an echo tech, and I worked 12-hour shifts. So I always had side businesses on the side, like travel agent and Amazon store. So I learned a lot of the tech things, just starting businesses and doing them. So anyway, I know these aren't perfect, but anyway, I just wanted to hop on here and let you know I'm going to keep going, keep doing my YouTube journey. If you have any hints for me, I'd appreciate it. So, anyway, let's have a great week. Have a great day. Bye bye. Hi, I'm back. I got to thinking that I want to out about you. So, do a lot of your friends, since you're in your 60s or older, think you should just be relaxing and staying at home, not doing anything? Well, we both know you need to have adventure. You need to do things that you haven't been able to do for many years because you had a career, you had kids, all those things that kept you really busy. So, anyway, I want to challenge you. I want you to challenge you to write down 5 things you haven't done for a while or things you've never tried. And I want them to be like joining a walking club or starting a YouTube channel or helping people with crocheting, something that you've done before that you really know and you love and you could help people. So this week, I want you to write down 1 or 5 things, and then I want you to circle one that you're going to step out and try. So we're all older and we can all help each other. We can all learn from each other. So I want you to put in the comments what you're going to try. And if you need any encouragement, if you need any ideas, just put in the comments and I'll get back with you. I get back with everybody that sends me a comment. So here we are. I'm still practicing. I'm still getting better at my YouTube videos. So I'm going to keep on going. What are you going to try this week?